Namaste, namaste, namaste. Good morning to everyone. I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So today we are going to discuss about intermittent fasting. As you see in the thumbnail, 2 kg loss in 7 days. Actually, last month I upload this video in Hindi. So lot of you guys comment me. So try to speak in English because I know we have a lot of viewers. They not understand Hindi, but my motto is all time to understand, speak, to explain in Hindi. So that's why this time I try to speak in English and try to explain what is the intermittent fasting. So first of all, you have to understand: is it true that we lose 2 kg in 7 days? Is it possible? Yes. Is this possible and easy? It's not too much heavy things. Okay, if you particularly if you maintain the diet, it's a very effective diet. If you particularly maintain the diet, you can easily lose 2 kg in 7 days. So don't skip the video, try to watch full video. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's come to the topic. So what is the intermittent fasting? It's a very easy things, and nowadays it's a very trending to all over the world, in India also, So in our 24 hours in a day, you have to fasting 16 hours and you have to eating times only 8 hours. So what is the time and what should we eat in the eating time and for the resting time, and what exercise we have to do in this period? Okay, so first of all, you have to understand if you have like some problem, like you have a heart problem, you have high BP, high blood pressures, you have any any kinds of stress problem. So better you should not do this diet. Okay, it's not good for you. And every time I told you guys that before any diet, you should consult with your doctor. Whatever your doctor, dietitian or any nutrition professional, you should consult with first, then you go to the diet. Don't watch the YouTube video and don't go for life. Okay, so today I'm going to just give an idea how what is the intermittent fasting. So see, in a day, like if we cut the hours, if we start the eating time like 12 p.m. so 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. this is the time for eating. So like morning from 8 p.m. to next day morning, like 12 a.m. you should not eat anything. If you have thirsty, you can eat that water, it's okay for you, or maybe you can take the green tea, or but without sugar. You don't take the milk tea, it's very harmful for your diet, no? Okay, but we Indian is very too much passionate in milk tea. So I always apply to everyone, please skip the milk tea. It's very harmful in our daily life, So try to use green tea or red tea without sugar. Okay, so in the 12 p.m. we can start with lunch. Lunch you can take, but it's not mean that 16 hours you have to fasting, the 8 hours that you have to eating. So eat lot. No, not the proper things. You have to eat the perfect desi diet, So like you can eat according to your body. You can eat some rice, or maybe 1 or 2 roti, or sabji, green sabji, and salad. You can use the curd, okay, yogurt and whatever. Just you can take, and at least 2 to 3 liters minimum you have to drink water. Okay, so lunch time is like 12 to 1 p.m. You finish lunch. Okay, take rest, proper rest. Then you can again if you want, and 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. you can practice Yoga Asana or some exercise, but not too much heavy, light exercise. Okay, don't go for too much heavy cardio, or don't do like too much soil. No, this time you have to take proper rest. Okay, so in the evening time you can take any kinds of seasonal fruits, or you can take black tea or nuts, and the evening dinner you must complete to 7 to 8 p.m. This is a very difficult for us, for Indian, but you should do. If you do, then you can get result, otherwise cannot. So in the dinner, what should you take? In a dinner, you can take the vegetable soup. I always recommend soup, vegetable soup. Otherwise, you can take for chicken soup if you are non-vegetarian, or you can go for the tomato soup, or you can take one roti or sabji. But try to skip the milk. I don't recommend milk too much because too much fat. So these are the normal things, and in the dinner time you should take any kinds of dinner, like drink. We check in the YouTube like lots of sleeping drink. But if you like, you can take water also, no problem. Just warm water, a little bit warm water, and sleep properly. But within 10 to 11 p.m. you have to sleep, go to bed. Not too much mobile surfing. So this is the period you should skip a lot of things, and fresh minded you have to practice meditation and also yoga. No negative energies, always try to focus on your positive energy, that yes, definitely I can do it. And day 1 you can check your weight, and day 7 you can check your weight. Definitely you can lose 2 to 3 kilo. It's up to your body. Not everybody is same like this, but minimum 2 kilo we can easily lose. So this is the very easy things. You can cut your schedule. Just 8 hours we have to eat, and the 16 hours we have to fasting. This is a very easy things, and nowadays is very trending for all over the world, and people lose many kilos. It's a very easy, because you don't have to too much workout, just little bit workout, as you know, like a little bit warm up and sun salutation and some sitting asana and the lie down asana. This is enough. Not too much. So this is the common things I want to share with you. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have some question, you can mention a comment. What is the new topic you want to make a video? Actually, a lot of people, you guys comment me and speak in English. Actually, very difficult to nowadays. I'm busy in my schedule, so nowadays very difficult to make subtitle. So that's why I make a new video for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys are very enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Request to everyone, please, if you are okay, if you are healthy, you can try this diet for 1 week. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next topic. Namaste.